Okay, now we are going to have a look at the quadratic formula very quickly. What is a quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is any equation in this form. Quadratic equations is any equation in this form, which is ax squared plus a bx plus a c equal 0. Yep. That's a quadratic equation. So for example, if I write an equation 1x squared plus, let's say, 5x plus 6 equals 0. In this equation, the a is 1, the b is plus 5, and c is plus 6. We take the sign as well. Now, how do we solve? We have two methods of solving. One is by factorization, one is by quadratic formula. Quadratic formula works with everything. What is a quadratic formula? Quadratic formula is this: x equals minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. You don't have to memorize the quadratic formula, it will be given to you, but it's better if you memorize. Now I got the values according to the formula. I got the value of the a as 1 plus 1, b as 5 plus 5, c as 6 plus 6. Yeah, I will put it in this equation. How come? How can I do that one? I do this minus b, so minus is already there. What's the value of the b? B is 5. Plus minus stays as it is. Square root as it is. What's the b? B is again 5. So when this time when I put the b, I will put b in the bracket and I square it. Minus 4 as it is. Now I need to put a and the c. So a is 1, I still put it, and the c bracket bracket, c is 6, and then 2 times a, so 2 is already there, and a is 1. Now I simplified that one. Let's simplify. So I got x equal, draw the line, minus 5 as it is, that becomes a minus 5, plus minus. What is 5 square? 5 square is 25, and then minus. What is 4 times 1 times 6? 4 times 1 times 6 is 24, and the 2 at the bottom remain as it is. Yeah. Once we got this one, we simplified further. Minus 5 is as it is, plus minus here. 25 minus 24 is actually a 1. So that will become a 1. Now what is square root of 1? Square root of 1 is actually, let me write here, minus 5 plus minus 1 over 2. Yeah. So square root of 1 is just 1. Now you got two things. One is plus, one is minus. So you know you need to do twice. So you do first, you write down x equals minus 5 plus 1 over 2. Then you repeat the same. X equals minus 5 minus 1 over 2. Why minus and plus? First I use this plus and I put it here. Then I use this minus and I put it here. So one time with a minus, one time with a plus. Then that will give me x equals minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. What is minus 4 over 2? Minus 2. So because 1 is positive, 1 is negative. If the sign is opposite, the answer is negative. So I got negative 2. Now let's do another one. Now what is minus 5 minus 6? You have £5 in your bank. You are negative 5 in your bank, and you spend another £1. So now you're negative 6. Yeah, negative 6 over 2. That is going to give you a negative 3. These are two answers. These are value of two answers. that you can get. Luckily, I got an easy number. If that was a 3, you need to do the square root 3, which is 1.7 something. Then you put that in calculator here, and you work it out. So now you got two values. These two values are known as the answers. So if you put these two values in this equation, that will give you the 0. Yeah, answer. That's how it works. Yep. Okay, now this was your question. So now you need to actually look into solving as a quadratic equation. Was that? Yeah, that was your question. Yeah. So now you're going to use that one. According to this, the A is 1, B is -9, and C is -22. Yeah. According to this one, this equation, the A is 1, B is -9, and C is -22. This is the A, which is here. This is the B, this is C. I will put that in a quadratic equation now. The quadratic equation is x equal minus B plus minus, put the values. So A was 1, B was -9. So minus minus 9. That minus is of the formula. This minus is the value of the B. And here I put -9 squared minus 4. The A was 1. The value of the C was -22. Yeah. Now I put that one. Simplify. 2 minuses, minus minus 9 is 9, plus minus 9 square is 81, minus minus becomes a plus. 4 times 22 is 88, and that's a 2. We simplify it further. 9 is there. 81 plus 88 is how much? 169. Yep. So I got that 169 there. Now once I got 169, I need to square root it. Square root of 1, and there's a plus minus as well. 169 is 13. Yep. So I got that one, 9 plus minus 13 over 2. Now I need two answers. So I put two boxes here now. In one box, I write x equal 9 plus 13 over 2. In the other box, I put x equals 9 minus 13 over 2. What is x plus 9 plus 13? 22 over 2. Yeah. Did I make a mistake somewhere? No, it is 22. So x value of the x is 11. Here, if I do x minus 13, what is x minus 13? That's minus 4 over 2. So that's the value of the x is 2. Yeah, so I got two values.